Homemade popcorn. Look. Do you eat microwave popcorn? Well, stop it. Any person with the right mind would make their popcorn in a pot, not in a microwave. Why are we microwaving popcorn? It goes in a pan and it pops. You put it anywhere hot, it pops. What are you doing all of this for? You think it's gonna pop quicker? Maybe, but it won't taste like this. It won't. It won't. Popcorn. Oh. Oh, look at this popcorn. Wait. Oh, look at this popcorn. I want you to make this popcorn. You know what I'm saying? Talk about you a chef with those microwave popcorn packets.